Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I am here again with my series and my kid. Okay, please give me some time because I want to tell my listeners and viewers about how I got superior in PTE. So let's talk about why I wanted superior English. Actually, I wanted superior English for my visa application and दूसरी बात ये कि मैं क्यों नहीं superior ले सकती. So that was the motive. And when you're aiming superior PT or any PT, then I think you need to understand the basic structure of the test. Whatever test you are going to take, either it's PTE, either OET, either IELTS, you need to understand the basic body and structure of the test first. तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास यहाँ पर हैं 4 modules. One is speaking, then writing, then reading, and then listening. And they all, these modules have their sub-modules as well. Okay, so talking about the sub-modules of speaking. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, and answer short question. Okay, so the favorite among them is, my favorites are read aloud and describe image. Free ke marks. Free ke marks. And then coming towards writing. Writing has summarized written text and write essay. When I took my test, there were 2 essays, and the favorite part for me among it is summarized written text. Bilkul free marks. So moving on to the reading module. Reading module has multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answers, reorder paragraphs, and reading fill in the blanks, and it also has reading and writing fill in the blanks. My favorite among them is reading fill in the blank and reading and writing fill in the blank. Reorder paragraph is quite difficult. Then comes the listening part. In listening part, there are some modules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sub-modules. Summarize spoken text, multiple choice, choose multiple answers, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice questions, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. My favorite from them was write from dictation and highlight incorrect words. Yes. And so these were the overall structure. So let's talk about the scoring of PT for visa application of Australia. So if you have 30 score minimum, so you get the functional English. If you have 36, you get vocational English. If you have 50 in each, then you get competent English. If you have proficient, you would have 65 score. If you are aiming superior, then you must have above 79 to so on. So that's superior English. So here my PT result is here, and you can see how much I scored. It's quite good, and I was so happy with it. I overall got 84. I got 19 speaking, that is full, and then I got 84 in writing, 81 in reading, and 86 in listening. So that was my whole score, and I took my test in November 2023, and it is valid till November 2025. And I took academic PT test in Lahore, JNS Education Center, which is on Alam. And if I talk about JNS Education Center, so I think it was great. Me and my husband both took tests there, and we both found it great. Cleanliness was good, professionalism was good. There was no extra sound, and everything was on point. So I would recommend JNS Education Center. The things that you have to take with you is nothing. Just take your passport with you while writing an application and booking your test. Do not do any mistake with your spelling or anything. Just do copy paste according to your passport. Be on the center before time so that you don't have to hurry. How I prepared in 1 month, and I just used to study in night time, just 2 to 3 hours a day. And I divided my schedule like this, that I would go for all the sections, 1 hour for speaking, 1 hour for writing, 1 hour for this, and I used to spend 4 hours daily to achieve that. Sometimes miss bhi ho jata tha, but this was my maximum day schedule. So I would spend an hour and 20 questions each every day of every module. I downloaded the apps of LA Academy. I took their subscription. And the one secret tip that I was talking about is mock tests. Yes, mock tests. You just have to take as much mock tests as you can, because this would help you to analyze which module you are lacking in, and it definitely helped me. And practice makes a man perfect. So practice as much as you can. Avoid the background noises. Never get distracted, because जब आप test भी दे रहे होते हैं, whenever you take the test, so there are a lot of background noises from this person and that person, the person sitting behind you. So just don't get distracted. And another thing is, when you sit in the examination hall and they ask you to test everything, just test it and adjust the noise level of the headphones a little bit lower, because when the real test comes, it is quite louder and it might just bombs in your ear. So that's another tip. Now the key point is that you don't always have to focus on each submodule for superior. That's the secret part. um, if I talk about myself, that I how I got superior. Okay, so things that the sub modules that I focused on were read aloud. अब आपने ये लिख लेना है. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, then writing में summarize written text and essay, ये दोनों करने पड़ेंगे. Then from reading, I mainly focused on reading, fill in the blanks, and reading and writing, fill in the blanks. And in listening module, I mainly focused on write from dictation, highlight incorrect words, and fill in the blanks. So these were the things that I focused mainly on. It's not always about grammar or something. PTE is more about technique. All the very best for your test, and do let me know which module you find difficult preparing in. All the very best, and do share your comments here in below, and please let me know if you have any question, and if this video was useful to you, do let me know, and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel once again. And I would really love to help you guys. Any topic, any question you want me to make video on, just do let me know. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.